Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
So, hello everyone, I am Rohan Kumar Bhoi, student of first year Computer Department in Zil Polytechnic Pune. Our my project title is Personal Diary Management by using C. So let's begin. This is basic details of our group under the guidance of Professor Gajanan Jadhav sir. Let's see. Contents: one of the which C program language project. Mini project in C. Personal diary management system is a console application without graphics. In this project, user can keep their personal record like they do in a diary. You can keep records of important things you do in your daily life, like meeting and various other tasks. This mini project on personal diary management in C is compiled in code blocks IDE using Turbo C++ compiler. It is completely and totally error-free program. About personal diary management system. In this console application, you can add, view, edit and delete records. Records can be added with many information such as duration of task, name, address, time and date. File handling has been effectively used to keep the records. The basic user-defined functions used to this project are listed below. In password, contains manage handle password protection. Void add record to add new diary record. Void view record to view added record in list. Void edit record to modify and update an added record. Void edit password to modify change a password. Void delete record to delete or remove a password permanently from system file. In this project, you need to enter a new password. Enter a password to view, edit or delete record. Password to view the main menu or to add record. We have used password in other mini projects in C. With what's little difference in this project is that you can edit the password within the application. That's why after executing or upon running the project, your password is currently enter for this mini project. Do not type enter, press the enter key. Main diary menu. This is the screenshot of main menu. In this main menu, I will create some user-friendly functions to add the record, view the record, edit the record, delete record, edit password and the exit function. For adding the record, press 1, then press enter key. For view any record, just press 2 and then enter key. For edit the record, press 3 and then press enter key. For delete the record, press 4 and then press enter key. For edit the password, press 5 and then press enter key. For exit the program, press 6 and then press the enter key 2 times. Adding the diary record. This is a screenshot of adding the diary record. When you select to add the record, you need to add the date in a year, month and day format, time, name, place, duration and the note you want to write. After filling the all detail, just press the enter key to save the record. When you press the enter key, the program will ask you to add another record. If you want to add new record, press Y or press N to leave the menu. View record. This is the screenshot of viewing record. When you want to view the saved record, in the main menu just press 2. Then the program will ask how would you like to view whole record of the day or record of the fixed time. If you want to watch the whole record of the day, just press 1, then press enter key. If you want to watch a fixed time record, press 2, then press enter key. After pressing the enter key, fill the date in year, month and day format. Then enter the password and watch the record. Then again, the program asks you, would you like to continue viewing? If you want to view another record, press Y or press N to leave the program. Edit record. When you want to do some changes in the saved record, just press 3 in the main menu and press the enter key. After opening new page, due to some security purpose, the program wants the password. After entering the password, just press the enter key. Then again, the program asks you to enter the date in year, month and day format and the time in hours and minutes format. After entering the date and time, the program displays the record when you are able to change or do some changes in the record. View record. Changing the password. If you want to change the password of the program, just press the 5 in the main menu. After selecting to edit password, the program asks you to enter the old password and we know old password is enter key, so just press enter key 2 times. After pressing the enter key, the program asks you to enter a new password. So now type your new password and press the enter key. After pressing the enter key, program again asks you to confirm your password. So just type the password will recently entered and press the enter key. If you type wrong password in confirmation, the program shows the password do not match and again ask to enter the new password. But if you type correct password 2 times, in the program shows your password are changed successfully. Then press any key to leave the page. So I hope do you understand the personal diary management in C properly. So thanks for watching and take care.